Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love to blog and I love everything that is pink and girly. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click that notification bell, and follow me on social media. So today I am back and I am extremely excited. I feel like it's Christmas in July. That's like how excited I am. So me and a really good friend of mine here from Instagram and YouTube decided to do a girly swap. And I am just beyond excited and very, very thankful that we did this because I feel like I've known her forever. We've been talking on Instagram for quite a while now. She actually has an Instagram page where she does custom letters. They're beautiful. It's artsy craftsy, so check it out and follow her. She also has a YouTube channel, My Little Pink Corner, where she does reviews, unboxings, like fashion trends, and a bunch of awesome videos. And basically we've just been talking for a long time and I can literally talk to her like the whole entire day. I feel like we have so much in common. She's super sweet and she has become such a good friend of mine. So I am just so thankful. Thank you so much, Rosa, for doing this swap with me. I really hope you love what I got you and I'm just like so excited. So basically we set up a budget and we shopped for each other and we just gave each other hints, but I don't know what she got me and she doesn't know what I got her. So it's like so exciting. This is like so amazing, you guys. So make sure to follow her, My Little Pink Corner, on YouTube, so that way you can see what I got her. But here is my box. It's super heavy and this is huge, girl. What did you get me? I am just so excited. And she put my name on the top. It says Fabi. So I haven't opened it. I've been like literally waiting for my mailman to come in. Like I was like literally just like checking out in the window. This is so exciting. Okay, ready? Ta-da! Oh, this is so pretty. Girl, you decorated it so beautiful. Oh my goodness, she like totally went out of her way. This is so gorgeous. She put like princess, like my name. Oh my goodness, you are so sweet. Can you guys see this? Like literally. Hold on, I have to take a picture of this. I am so excited, like I don't even know where to start. So she put a letter here. It says, Fabi, I hope you enjoy and love everything I have picked up for you. Thank you for being a cool friend and nice to share our crazy momming stories. Love, Rosa, tu amiga. So yes, oh my goodness, like we've been like sharing back and forth stuff about our kids. She has kids and I have kids and I feel like our kids are pretty much around the same age, so we have like so much in common. So here it is. Oh my goodness, where should I start? Okay, I'm gonna start off with this one here. This is so exciting. She packaged everything so nicely, like literally it's beautiful. Okay, so oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, she knows I love the Chanel stuff, so she made this gorgeous L letter. This is so beautiful. I'm telling you, you guys have to check out her Instagram page. She has beautiful things there and she custom makes these and they're just gorgeous. So the next thing I have here it is. Oh, it's an O. Wait a minute, so it's an L and an O. What does it spell? Is it love? This is so cute. This one has like lipsticks and she even put like little crystals on the brush and the lipstick. That's adorable. No. So here's another one. Oh, these are so beautiful and they have pearls. You guys, if you watch my videos, you know I love pearls and she does too. I'm telling you, we have so much in common. So she got me this like silver pen and this gold pen. They both have like little pearls on them. These are beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put these on my computer desk. Thank you so much. All right, let's see what else is in here. I have this here. These are gorgeous. She got me 2 headbands. Oh my goodness, look at these headbands. They are so pretty. This one here has like pink and it has like pearls and crystals. I'm in love with this. And then this one here, look how stunning this is. Oh my goodness, I love headbands. They're so beautiful. I don't know, there's something about headbands that when I wear them, I just feel like a princess. I love them. It's so pretty. Definitely love these headbands. I am so obsessed with them. My daughter better not take them. Yeah. She's like, what? So the next thing I have is right here. I love this gift wrap. It's so sparkly. Oh, this is so cute. It says Daydreamer. It's a little notepad. It's so beautiful and you can never go wrong with a notepad. I literally have notepads everywhere because I'm always like writing stuff. So I am so going to use this and I'm going to leave it in my desk. There's also this one here. This is beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. It's a little like jewelry box and it's shaped as a heart. I love this. This is so pretty. I'm gonna put this here right with my other stuff. I love that color too. It's like so pretty. It's like a turquoise color. So there is this here. And she packaged everything like so beautiful, you guys. I'm like in love. Oh my goodness, I love this. So this here says, do not worry, be happy. Girl, how did you know that I like wine? These are wine glasses and there's 4 in them. It says, do not panic, don't ever give up. Oh my goodness, and there's like little donuts in here. How cute. This is like so adorable. I'm definitely having my wine in these. There's still so much in here. I am so happy. Okay, so there's also this one here. I like guessing. I don't know what this one is. Let's see. What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness, girl. You are awesome. I told her I liked spicy candy. I am Mexican, so for me, like everything has to be spicy, and she got me spicy pops. These are like mangoes covered in chili. My mouth is like literally watering. These are like the best. Thank you so much. Next we have this one here in this pretty flower wrapping. So this one is in a box, and there's more wrapping in here. You wrapped everything so beautiful. This is white, and it has lace. What is this? It looks gorgeous. I am so in love with this. This is so beautiful. It's like a beautiful top. It has lace. I am so excited. This is gonna look so pretty with the headband, by the way. So next I have this one here. And it also comes in a little box. So cute. This is so pretty. This is also like white and it has lace. She knows I love these colors. This is like the most beautiful top ever. It's stunning. It has like an open back and it's all lace detail with like this like ruffle on the bottom. This is gonna look stunning. I love this. Thank you so much, Rosa. This is like beautiful. I'm like in love already and there's still so much in here. Oh my goodness. All right, next we have this other box. What is in here? So in here There is this. Oh, this is so pretty. It says, babe, this is gorgeous. It's like a crop top. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is gonna look so beautiful with like some high-waisted jeans or shorts. So beautiful. I love this. The next thing I have here, it's in this pink packaging. This is like way better than Christmas, like literally. Opening like all these presents is like amazing. It's like the best feeling ever. So I have this detangler, wet or dry hair detangler. This looks really, really nice. I definitely needed a new hairbrush. My hairbrush, you guys, my hairbrush fell in the toilet. And I have like just literally been using a comb. So I really needed this. Thank you so much. So the next thing in here is this purple one. This one's heavy. What's in here? All right, let's see what's inside. I just love how she packaged everything. This is gorgeous. Girl, I have been like looking at these all over Instagram and I was like, I need to get one. Like, I need one. And she got me this beautiful acrylic box. It says Chanel with my favorite logo, and it has like, oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. It has like roses. Girl, you are so sweet. I am just like, I'm like so speechless. And it has like a bunch of stuff in here. Oh my goodness, I need to open this. This is like the most beautiful box ever. So in here, there's these earrings. Look how stunning these are. I am so in love with them. It's like a little bow with like a dangling pearl. So cute. There's also these here. They're like these beige color with like rhinestones. These are gorgeous. I am so in love with them. She knows I love jewelry. I am like obsessed with jewelry. There's also this little bag here in pink. Oh, this is so pretty. Look how nice this keychain is. This is gorgeous. How pretty this is. It's gonna look so nice with my keys and my bag. Thank you so much. I'm like speechless right now. Look how gorgeous the box looks. So beautiful. So there's this other box here. Oh, she got me coffee. Girl, you know, I was gonna get you coffee and then I didn't get it. I should have gotten it for you too. This here is the Girly at Home Caramel Latte. I love caramel. I've never tried this one, but I'm very excited. Thank you so much. You know, moms need coffee. You need coffee to survive. I also have this one here. Oh, she got me another one. Girly coffee cappuccino. Oh my goodness, I love cappuccino. This looks so yummy. Thank you. Here's another pink box. Oh, it's the letter A. Okay, so we have the letter L, the letter O. I thought it said love, but maybe it doesn't. So I want to see what it says. Okay, so the next thing I have here is this one here. Oh, these are beautiful. It's sunglasses. You guys, I am like obsessed with sunglasses. I need to have sunglasses all the time. Ooh, these are so stylish. I love them, and they're white. They go with like all my outfits. Super pretty. So the last thing I have here is this box. These are beautiful. She got me some sandals, you guys. Look how gorgeous these are. And they're like in the perfect shade of pink. These are so beautiful. Look at these. And they have like these little buckles on them. These are stunning. Thank you so, so much. You guys, so I figured it out. I was like, what does OLA stand for? So when I got my name, I originally only got it Fabi, but my whole entire name is Fabiola. So she made me the rest of the 3 letters, and I am just so, so thankful. This was kind of like a, I don't know, like a mystery. I was like, what does it stand for? And I just like literally, I was thinking, and I'm like, oh my goodness, it's for my whole entire name. So those are all the amazing things that my friend Rosa picked out for me. I am like seriously speechless. She got me so many beautiful things, and I am just so, so thankful. And to be honest with you, all this was just so much fun, shopping for each other and getting to know each other more. So you guys go head over to her channel, check out her video, subscribe to her, leave me a comment down below. But Rosa, thank you again so much. I am incredibly thankful, and I hope you continue to be best friends forever. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.